Dear students, today I am going to explain degree third semester chemistry syllabus, especially organic chemistry. So, in third semester, organic chemistry point of view, first chapter, halogen compounds. Halogen compounds. Halogen compounds contains halogen as the one of the constituent as the one of the constituent. So that and all we are going to discuss. So first question of halogen compounds is explain the mechanism, stereochemistry and kinetics of SN1 and SN2 reactions. The same question you will be given like this. Give the differences between SN1 and SN2 reactions. So answer of that question is nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. In these reactions, the halogen of any alkyl halide is replaced by a nucleophile. A nucleophile. Again, I am repeating the sentence. Alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. In these reactions, the halogen of any alkyl halide is replaced by nucleophile. So, the statement can be written in the equation form in the following way. Rx plus Nu minus gives rise to Rnu plus X minus. That is the simplest form of the above sentence, where Nu minus is nucleophile. On the basis of mechanism, nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two types. First one is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions or SN1 reactions. Second one, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions or SN2 reactions. First one, SN1 reactions, nothing but substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reactions. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reactions. In these reactions, the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of an alkyl halide. In these reactions, the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of an alkyl halide. So, these are first order reactions. The above statement can be written mathematically in the following way. Rate proportional to concentration of Rx. Nothing but R is equal to K into concentration of Rx. Mechanism of the above reaction. That means in what way or in which way the reactants are interact each other, and after reaction what are the products that are formed in the reaction, that and all we are going to deal with in detailed manner. In these reactions are involved in two steps. In the first step, the alkyl halide ionizes to form carbonium ion. It is the slowest step or rate determining step. It is the slowest step or rate determining step. In the rate determining step, only one molecule is involved. In the rate determining step, only one molecule is involved. So it is known as SN1 reaction. In the second step, the carbonium ion is combined with a nucleophile to form substituted product. It is fast step. I mean, total reaction takes place in two steps. First step is a slow step, nothing but a rate determinant step. In this step, carbonium ion is formed. In this step, carbonium ion is formed, and after that, in the second step, nucleophile will attack at the carbonium ion. That is first step. So that and all we are discussed. So now I am putting equation for the above statement. So here I am putting C2H5 C3H7 CH3 Br plus OH minus gives rise to C2H5 CH3 C3H7 OH plus Br minus. That is the total equation, but the total equation takes place or total equation formed in two steps. In the first step, leaving of Br as Br minus, at the same time formation of carbonium ion, that is first step. First step. First step. In the second step, OH is attacking on the carbonium ion. OH is attacking on carbonium ion. So C2H5 CCH3 C3H7 OH. That is the product formed in the reaction. Okay. So total two steps are involved in that reaction. First step, formation of carbonium ion. Second step, formation of alcohol. Formation of alcohol. So that is SN1 reaction. Coming to SN2 reaction. Coming to SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction, the rate of reaction depends on both concentration of alkyl halide and nucleophile. I mean, in these reactions, rate of the reaction depends both reactants. So these are second order reactions. So the total equation can be written mathematically in the following way: rate proportional to concentration of ORX, concentration of nucleophile. Coming to mechanism of the reaction, these reactions are involved in only one step. These reactions are involved in only one step. The nucleophile approaches the halide carbon from the opposite side of the halogen atom because the halogen atom and nucleophile are each other repelled with each other. A transition state is obtained. Transition state means it is a special state, which means attacking of one group, leaving of another group is taking place simultaneously. So at the intermediate level or intermediate stage, a separate state will appear in the reaction mixture. That state is called transition state. So that transition state can be observed or can be written in the dotted line way. So whenever we are observing dotted line in the intermediate level, that is called transition state. So in SN2 reactions, both attacking of nucleophile, leaving of halogen group, both taking place in same time or in the same time or simultaneously. Both have same meaning, not different. So in this SN2 reactions, both attacking of nucleophile, leaving of halogen atom taking place simultaneously. So a transition state is obtained. In this state, both nucleophile and halogen atom are partially bonded to carbon. It is the slowest step or rate attempt step. So two molecules are involved in the rate attempt step. So it is called SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. The transition state is dissociated and halide ion is completely removed to form the substituted product. The above statement can be written in a simple way in the following way. Hydrolysis of 2-bromopentane with aqueous NaOH to form 2-butanol, that is alcohol. So C2H5CH3Br plus OH minus gives rise to C2H5CH3OH plus Br minus. So that is the total equation. The total equation is formed in the following way. So C2H5CH3Br plus OH minus is raised to on the arrow mark. Slow step means breaking of bond between C and Br and formation of bond between OH and C is same or at the same time. So as a result, Br group will leaves out as a Br minus and OH minus will attack at carbonium ion. Okay, so that is the total reaction of SN2 reaction. So that and all about SN2 reactions. Okay.